Second one is the PicsArt, which is a bit complicated. Like the app has lots of features inside of it. So let's open PicsArt. You can also get the free versions of it, but you are going to be limited to some things which we don't want. So you can see before and after. Like if you try all these templates, so you can see before and after of each of the templates there. So you can see difference before and after. So you can try all this if this is what you want to try. Yeah, so you can see the one that are generated with AI, so you can remix them if you want. So like this, you can just click on it, then you click on remix if you want to remix, or you generate your own. So it's going to download it for you and remix it for you. So it open these things for you to do different things that you want to do. You can do a face retouch and the rest. So but this is not the main thing that I'm going to dive into here. So you just click on this plus button at the middle here, so you can see the plus button here, and you scroll up. You can see AI to image. This is going to convert your text to image. Anything you type inside it is going to convert it to image for you. So let's see. So you can see example, kangaroo carrying a cord, blah 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 blah. So you can just give it anything that you want. So you type it here, it's going to generate it for you. So I can say koala uh, with eyeglasses. So let's say eyeglasses reading. So I'll click on enter and generate image. So it's going to generate different options for you. Then you now choose which one you want to download to your phone. So sometimes it takes time to generate, sometimes it will easily generate depending on your network. You can see different koala that it generates, as you can see. So I like this one. You can either download it, you can see successful download it, or you bookmark it. So it depends on the one that you want. So this is the first version. I want to keep all these videos as short as they can be. So we're going to move to the next one. So I can click on back. I'm okay with what it generates for me, right?